Hello viewers, I am Anbhavi. Today we see about Keltron Requirement 2020 Kerala State Electronic Development Corporation Limited. They release a official notification of 1 or 2 vacancy for 16 post ECE, EEE, CSE, IT Mechanical. Then freshers can apply. The last date for application 25/11/2020. Let's see the detailed view of notification. Before going to see, still if not subscribed to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for latest update. For Keltron 2020, the official notification released on 4/11/2020. You can apply on online. The website of www.cmdkerala.net, Center for Management Development website. Then Kerala State Electronic Development Corporation, www.kelton.org. The last date for application 25/11/2020 at 5 p.m. 16th post engineer trainee, 50 vacancies, posting anywhere in India. Qualification BTech BE in electronics and communication, applied electronics and instrumentation, mechanical, electrical CS, or BSc Physics, Max, electronics with post degree in electronics, CS, applied electronics with minimum 60%. Freshers can apply. There is no any experience based on this 16th position. The scale 15,500. After completion of trainee, the scale will be changed to 20,500 to 37,590. Age limit 36 years. Then 15th post engineer officer software development, 4 vacancies, posting anywhere in Kerala. BE BTech in CS, computer science, BSc Physics, Max, electronics with post degree in electronics and CS, applied electronics, MCA with minimum 60% of marks. Qualification experience 1 year post experience in GIS application development. Scale 20,500 to 37,590. Age limit 36 years. Then 14th post engineer officer software development, 4 vacancies, posting anywhere in Kerala. Qualification BE BTech in computer science and BSc Physics, Max, electronics with post degree in electronics, CS, applied electronics, MCA with 60%. The 1 year experience in artificial intelligence. Scale pay 20,500 to 37,590. Age limit 36 years. Then first post manager, 1 vacancy, posting Kolkata. Qualification BE BTech, ECE, EEE, IT with 60% of marks, MBA marketing, experience 15 years of experience in handling marketing activities. Scale 30,000 to 54,019. Age limit 45 years. Then second post manager, HR manager, 1 vacancies, anywhere in Kerala, MBA with HR specialization with minimum 60% of marks. The minimum 50 years of post qualification experience in at least 5 years in holding key position in HR development. The grade scale 30,000 to 54,910. Age limit 45 years. Then third post assistant manager purchase, 3 vacancies, anywhere in Kerala. BE BTech with MBA finance marketing with minimum 60% marks and minimum 7 years experience in purchase activity. Then scale 24,500 to 44,860. Maximum limit 45 years. Then fourth post senior engineer, 3 vacancies, anywhere in Kerala. BE BTech in ECE with minimum 60%. The minimum 4 years post qualification experience in hardware maintenance and network administration, server management. Then scale 23,000 to 42,090. Age limit 40 years. Then fifth post senior engineer, 2 posts, anywhere in Kerala. BE and BTech, ECE, EEE with minimum 60% of marks and minimum 4 years post experience in testing and evaluation electronic package. Then scale 23,000 to 42,090 and age limit 40 years. Then sixth post senior engineer, 2 posts, anywhere in Kerala. BE BTech, ECE and EEE with minimum 60% of marks. Experience 4 years of post experience in project executing traffic and enhanced system and CCTV surveillance system. Then scale 23,000, 42,090. Age limit 40 years. Then 7th post senior engineer HR, 4 post anywhere in Kerala. MBA with HR specialization, minimum 60% of marks, 4 years post qualification experience in HR development of manufacturing unit, scale 23,000 to 42,090, age limit 40 years. Then 8th post senior officer, 2 post anywhere in Kerala, BTech, ECE, EEE, IT with minimum 60%, minimum 4 years of post qualification experience in preparation of or evaluation of budget of multi-product company, in scale 23,000 to 42,090, then age limit 40 years. Then 9th post engineer, 6 vacancies anywhere in Kerala, then BTech in EEE, ECE and specialization in embedded system with minimum 60% of marks. The minimum 1 year's post experience qualification in embedded system programming and FPGA programming, signal processing and power electronics, experience in designing and testing of UPS, then scale 20,000 to 500 to 37,590, age limit 36 years. Then 10th post engineer, 7 post anywhere in Kerala, then BE, BTech, ECE, EEE mechanical with minimum 60% of marks, minimum 1 year post qualification experiences marketing production of IT, electronics and pneumatic based products and services, then scale 20,500 to 37,590, age limit 36 years. Then 11th post officer in finance, 5 vacancies anywhere in India, CA qualification, CA Inter and CMB in Inter, then experience minimum 4 years of experience in industrial environment, scale 20,500 to 37,590, age limit 40 years. Then 12th post engineer and officer software development, 4 vacancies anywhere in Kerala, BE and BTech in computer science, BSc, physics, maths, electronics with post degrees in electronics, CS, applied electronics, MCA with minimum 60% of marks. Then experience 1 year post qualification experience in core Java, J2EE, Python, reputed organization, scale 20,500 to 37,590, age limit 36 years. Then 13th post software engineer in the software development, 4 vacancies anywhere in Kerala, same B and BTech in computer science, BSc, physics, maths, electronics with post degree in electronics, CS, applied electronics, MCA with minimum 60%, 1 year's post qualification experience mobile communication development, scale 20,500 to 37,590, age limit 36 years. Instruction to candidate: only the post qualification work experience of candidate until 25/11/2020 will be considered. The application fee 500, then no application fee for SC ST candidate. Then the work experience certificates will be applied during the application. Then you have to convert the CGPA to percentage process. Limited number of candidates shortlisted in group discussion and interview. In case maybe post be based on the written test. If you have any doubt in the Kelton Recommend 2020, text in comment box. If you want any other government jobs related videos, text in comment box. If you like this video, share to your friends, subscribe, like. Thank you.